Sean Walia here, Sean Walia Math. Today, we will be discussing the point slope form of the line. Let's do this. Oh yeah, so the point slope form of a line, super basic. It's this formula right here. What's it for? Okay, so if I ask you what's the equation of the line, and you have a point that's on the line, and you have the slope, you can tell me the equation of the line. All right, so a lot of teachers, they teach this as a substitution process. I prefer to kind of use a pattern. Okay, so this is the formula where the point given is x sub 1, y sub 1, that's subnotation, and the slope is m. Okay, so let me show you how easy this is if you just follow this pattern. It's quite simple. Let's take a point. Let's go -2, 5. And we'll say that the slope is equivalent to -3. Okay, so hopefully you know that this is an xy coordinate, and this is the point in question. So here we go. Follow along with me. We go y, opposite sign of the y value, equals slope, open bracket, x, opposite sign of the x value. And that's it. One more time. Y, opposite sign of the y value, so -5, equals slope, which was -3, open bracket, x, opposite sign of the x value. That's it. You know, it's really super easy if you just follow that pattern. Let's do another example. Let's say the point given is 7, 8. Let's get this out of the way. So let's say the point given is 7, 8. And the slope is 3/4. Okay, so here we go. Y, opposite of the y value in the point given, equals slope, open bracket, x, opposite sign of the x value. There it is. Super easy, super quick. It's just a pattern that you follow. Let's do another example to illustrate. Okay, so say we have the point -5 and -4, and the slope is 6. If you want, you can pause the video right now and give this a shot. But I'm going to go ahead with the answer for people that want to know. It's going to be y, opposite sign, +4, equals 6, open bracket, x, +5. There it is. The point slope formula of the line, there's the equation of the line. I will do one more example for you, okay? And then we're going to shift things up just a little bit. Okay, so the last example, -2, 9 is the point that you're told is on the line, and the slope is equivalent to -5/7. And of course, the question is, what is the equation of the line? Now, we are getting the equation of the line in point slope form. You may be asked for the equation of the line in another form. I'll show you how to do that later on in the video. For now, though, you should know the equation of this line is y, -9 is equivalent to -5/7, open bracket, x plus 2. And that's it. Now, of course, you should be able to go either direction. So I should be able to give you the point and the slope, and you should tell me the equation of the line. Or if I give you the equation of the line in point slope formula, you should be able to tell me the point and the slope. So let's take an example of that. So I give you the equation of the line to be y -8 is equivalent to 2, open bracket, x -3. And then, what can you tell me? Well, you should be able to tell me that the point that's on this line, opposite sign of the x, 3, right? Notice I went to here for the x, it's associated with x over here, and the opposite sign of the y, which is 8. So the point that's on the line is 3/8, and the slope is equal to 2. Now, with this information, I can actually produce a graph quite easily. I first go to the point 3/8. So I'll go to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'll put a point. From there, I'll apply the slope. You know, of course, that slope is equal to the rise over the run. So I will go up 2 over 1, or do the opposite and go down 2 and back 1. And there it is. There's your line. Super, super easy. Boom. Okay. Let's do another example. All right. So say I give y plus 2. Y plus 2 is equivalent to -3 open bracket x plus 1. Okay, so it's in that form, the point slope formula. And so from here, you should be able to tell me that the point given is -1, -2, and that the slope is equivalent to -3. From here, if you want to do a graph, really simple. I'm going to go to -1, -1, 2, do a point, and then apply the slope. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1. The opposite of that, of course, the opposite 3 over -1. So I could go up 1, 2, 3, and back 1. And there you have it. There is your line. Very exciting. I know, super exciting. But whatever, that's the point slope form of a line. There's not really much more to show you other than if you want to isolate y after. I'll do an example of that for you. So let's say the point given is -3 and 5. And we'll say that the slope is equivalent to, again, 3 over 4. Okay, so equation of the line would be y minus 5 is equivalent to 3 over 4 bracket x plus 3. Now from here, if you want to isolate y, probably the best thing for you to do is to get rid of the fractions first. So get rid of this 4. To do that, you're going to distribute a 4, because this says divided by 4, and algebra is all about opposite operations. So if you're dividing by 4, to do the opposite, you're going to times by 4. So I'm going to times this by 4, this by 4, and that by 4. And what I'll get is 4y minus 20 is equivalent to 12 over 4 bracket x plus 3. Notice that there was only the coefficient. There's only one term here to distribute that 4 to. And the reason that I did that is you should know, what is 12 over 4? 12 over 4 is 3. So now I have this. Now I can distribute the 3. Boom, boom. I can bring the 20 over to the other side. I've got 4y is equivalent to 3x plus 29. And lastly, divide everything by 4. Giving us the equation y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 29 over 4, and that's now in y equals mx plus b form. All right, so we are done. Hopefully, you have a better understanding of the point slope form of a line. Thanks a lot for watching Sean Walia Math. If you like the video, definitely subscribe and keep watching my videos. Really appreciate your watch, okay? Take care.